Hi guys, I hope you're good since last video. So we are Monday. Let's start working on nodes.chickerhouses.com that I invite you to visit. So I'm on the website. I'm running it in localhost. I'm checking the UI. There are some different parts to fix. I just check. I see the accordion here, the different cards, the layout. I check the product page. This product page has the title, the price, but I need to work on the details. I change the CTA color just to see. I check on the colors of the letters, the bottom parts, and I go to the planning just to see on Monday what I need to do. Not code agent, make the product page. Okay, so let's go for the landing page changes now. So I go through the code, just move the boilerplate to the indentation that I prefer, change some of the colors. I just went on online getting a color picker. I'm changing the images, some food stockage images from Unsplash. Working on the image on the concept page. I picked this image having a rock suspended in the air with a dark background. And I'm updating some of the wording, also simplifying, cleaning up some sections. I want it to be very clean, not a lot of text everywhere, just little sentences. Just the product page needs the description. Using Photopea to instruct the AI agent. So I'm touching at the code, but not a lot. I don't think that you need to code anymore. I told you in the previous videos, so I go in Photopea. I just put my messages directly into the pictures with arrows telling to the AI agent what I need to be improved in terms of colors and everything. I commit the work. This will start the AI agent. So I just put a message to talk about what I've done. I've updated some accents, colors, and added some links, and so on and so on. Let's go to the calendar. Quick calendar review. And now I go back working on Gumroad page, because that's the next step, is to work on the CTA. Customer clicked on the CTA, is directed to Gumroad. Here I need a page to be available, because people can also be directed directly to Gumroad, and here also there will be a second product page. But from the nodes website, it will go directly to the checkout page. The calendar updates, tasks are done for node code. This is how the site look like at this moment when I was recording. Got nice card, not much scroll. The footer still needs some improvements. Here, when you click on the arrow, you direct it to the product page. Acquire single license. I kept it black just to match with the brand colors. The Checker Houses brand colors. Coming soon down there, I got rid of all the images on the section. Whenever I'm going to add a node in the code, I'm going to be adding the suggestion down there, and here is the page with the concepts. With a little button down there to go back to all the little nodes, little squares available from the front page. I close the server. I just update the calendar quickly. We can gray this out. This is done. And after, at the end of the week, I'll be working on some other parts. Nodes.chickerhouses.com. It's available. Visit it and give me some feedbacks. Cooking app, debugging with Codex. The cooking app is a mobile app. It works well on the web version, but in the mobile version, I got some issues working in a specific edge case. So here I'm building the binary. When I build the binary, after I run the application, reviewing for next iteration. So this is how I'm going to go in terms of iteration, fixing the UI, for example here the buttons, cooking up, reviewing agent work. Also I check what are the changes implemented by the agent between every single iteration. Talking to agent to know how mobile apps work. So I have some lack of knowledge about that. So I'm just checking and talking about the application. Pull, build, serve. I'm using ABD, but I get this issue in this edge case. Nodes.chickerhouses.com. Visit it. Work on clipping shorts now. So the agent is still working on the cooking app. In the meantime, because it takes a while, I'm going to be working here. ChatGPT helper, timestamps, updates on the best moment in the video. So I'm using the video transcripts to make those clips. I'm going to be clipping, create draft, reuse details from the main video, and after I'm going to download it. Why do I download it? So I'll be doing that several times. Here I just show you one round, and I open the video editor, use my custom template, add the video to it, and start making the adjustments. We got the title. We spin up the volume a little bit higher than normal. We download, then upload to YouTube Shorts. So you've seen here the batch. I just have to reduce it because it's 15 maximums. And after that, I'm just gonna make all the metadata and schedule it, and it's done. So I'm gonna do that for every single shorts. Nodes.chickerhouses.com. Other tasks still working. So the mobile app is still being handled by the agent. Debugging, cooking up, encryption key, change, edge case. I'm crying. Last calendar update. So now I'm going to put in orange what I couldn't do. I'm going to also postpone it for next days. On Wednesday, it's going to be a heavy day instead of standard. As the mobile app, I got some issues with that. So those tasks are going to be moved to Wednesday. Nodes.chickerhouses.com. Hope that you like this video. See you next time.